Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The night was calm, the stars were bright. A sacred soul was born that night. The house of Musa bloomed with light. Ali al-Rida, the guiding sight. From noble line, a shining flame. The eighth Imam, a blessed name. His every word was deep and wise, a mirror to the truth that lies. He healed the hearts with gentle care, a light of hope, a whispered prayer. The poor would smile when he was near. Their pain would fade, replaced with cheer. He taught us love, he taught us light, to stand for truth, to guard the right. Oh lovers, raise your hands and say, Ya Rida, you show the way. The scent of Tus still holds his name, a land that glows with heaven's flame. Each year we gather, hearts so wide, to greet the joy we cannot hide. So let the earth and sky proclaim Ali al-Rida's blessed name, a mercy sent to guide mankind, the jewel of the Prophet's line.